Once upon a time, in a cozy village nestled amidst rolling green hills, lived a cheerful and curious little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie loved to explore the world around her and was always filled with excitement about the possibilities that lay beyond her little burrow. One sunny morning, Rosie hopped out of her burrow, determined to find a treasure that her friends had told her about. The treasure was said to be hidden in the ancient forest, deep within the tallest trees. Undeterred by the long journey, Rosie set off with a heart full of hope and a basket filled with snacks. As Rosie ventured into the forest, she encountered various challenges along the way. There were thorny bushes that scratched her soft fur, slippery rocks that made her stumble, and even a wide river she had to cross. But Rosie persevered, always reminding herself of the treasure that awaited her. After hours of walking, Rosie finally reached the heart of the forest. She looked around, expecting to see the treasure glittering in the sunlight, but all she found were the towering trees and the songs of the birds. Disappointed, Rosie sat down and wondered where she went wrong. Just then, a wise old owl perched on a branch above her. The owl had been watching Rosie's journey and saw her determination. The owl said, "Little one, the true treasure you seek is not something you can hold in your paws. It is the journey itself. The lessons you learn, and the experiences you gather along the way." Rosie pondered the owl's words and realized the wisdom behind them. She smiled and thanked the owl for the valuable insight. As she made her way back home, Rosie felt a sense of contentment and joy, knowing that she had gained more than she had ever imagined. From that day forward, Rosie shared her story with her friends, emphasizing the importance of cherishing every step of the journey, rather than focusing solely on the destination. And together, they explored the world around them, finding joy and wonder in the simplest of things. The moral of the story is that sometimes the greatest treasures in life are not material possessions, but the lessons, experiences, and memories we gather along our journeys. It teaches children to appreciate the present moment, enjoy the process, and find happiness in the little things.